Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Mercedes-Benz 560 SL from 1989, made by Norev at the 1/18 scale. This model is metallic and features opening doors, bonnet and trunk. Also we have functional steering and suspension. Let's start in the front. We have the headlights, which look pretty good. We have the turn signal. Also we have the wipers for the headlights. The chrome on the bumper and the grille looks pretty good. I don't like the fact that the emblem looks lower quality than other Norev models. They have a better version on other models. Next we have the wheels, which look pretty good. Sadly you don't see anything behind them, but they are time correct wheels. In the back we have the emblem, which is photo etched 560 SL. Also we have the Mercedes logo as well, and the stop lights, which look pretty good, and also the chrome on the bumper looks okay. Underneath the model we have the exhaust and some details in the front and on the back axle, which is very good. Let's open the bonnet to see the engine compartment. There we go. The engine compartment looks pretty good. We have a good amount of details as Norev used us. We have a lot of details in even the fan is in the front, and a lot of painted parts. The hood tends to not stay open. In the back, we have the trunk, which looks pretty good. Also, I like the fact that it's carpeted in the same color as the interior. Usually they are black, but this way it stands out more, and it looks quite good. Let's open the door to see the interior. There we go. The interior looks pretty good. Good amount of details on the dash and on the center console as well. We have the fire extinguisher, I think, in front of the driver's seat. Also the carpet looks pretty good. Let's open the back door as well. Again, very nice details. Norev really does a great job on these interiors. There we go. And let's open the other side as well. Again, good amount of details. As you can see, the dash looks pretty good. Also the seats look good. We have the seal pads with photo etched elements. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about this model? I think it looks very good, especially in this color combination. I think all Mercedes look good in black. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.